The next lesson I will teach you how can we use the avatar section. For the avatar section, it's just the same as the other part, but it's more advanced where you can access a fitting tool or create an accessory that you want for the players, where it can be either a hat, a wig, or a clothes that you want, and accessory fitting where you can just click something that you want to become an accessory. Example, you insert in the toolbox a hat. So going to do is part can just type hat next and you want it to be a head accessory. That's how you can use it. And the same can be used in the snapping when you want the accessory to rotate or snap or connect to the wall, connect to the ceiling. You can use the snap to parts. And the import 3D, as I explained the other lesson, is you can just import 3D objects or structure by download a 3D figure where it can be imported in Roblox. As for the rig builder, will insert rigs or insert motion in the objects that you create, where you can use as you can see, it can use by avatar or a skin avatar, mesh avatar. You can use to create AI that can use avatar setup. It's most likely on can import or select that you want to get started on. Let's say that I said earlier, it can be either accessory like a bow, a hat, a shoes, as much as like an animation editor is on advanced type scene, or on editing of you want to edit animation on certain objects you want or structure. But this animation editor is connected to the rig builder as long as you have not created any AI or any avatar that you want or NPC. You can sorry for only for using AI NPC, non-playable character, where you can use it makes them to have sudden action, can edit them. So that's pretty much how you can use the avatar section, just the same as the home section and the model section, having a snapping and the different. So that's all. I hope you learned something.